Hi, my name is Nurfaraniza Binta Hamilton. I am from class DEE1A. My ID metric is 07DEE25F1074. Today, I will be presenting about analog multimeter safety precautions. Firstly, never apply power to the circuit when measuring resistance with multimeter. Secondly, connect the multimeter in series with the circuit for current measurements and in parallel for voltage measurements. Thirdly, be certain the multimeter is switched to AC before attempting to measure AC circuit. 4. Obsess the proper DC polarity when measuring DC value. Furthermore, when finished with a multimeter use, switch it to off position if available. If there is no off position, switch the multimeter to the highest voltage positions. Moreover, always start with the highest voltage or current range. Last but not least, adjust the 0 ohms reading after changing resistance measurement. Lastly, be certain to read AC measurements on the AC scale of multimeter.
Hello everyone, my name is Faizatun Izwana binti Musa. I'm from class DEE1A and my number matrix is 07DEE25F1005. Today, I will be demonstrating how to measure voltage using an analog multimeter. First of all, we must calibrate and make sure the scale is 0. Next, the analog multimeter have two probes. It is black probes and red probes. Next, I connect the black probe to the negative terminal and the red probe to the positive terminal. Then, I place the probes across the power source. That means in parallel connection. The red probe touch the positive terminal and the black probe touch the negative terminals. When the probes are connected, the needle on the multimeter moves across the scale. The position of the needle shows the voltage value. For example, if I'm measuring a 1.5 volt battery, the needle should point near the 1.5 mark on the DCV scale.
My name is Nur Asira binti Julkipli. My matrix number is 07DEE25F1053. Hello everyone, today I show you how to measure resistance using an analog multimeter. First, you need to set the range correctly. So, first you put the red probe to the positive part and the black probe to the negative part. As you can see here, this is resistor color code chart. Okay, so now let's measure the resistor. This resistor has red, and red color, which means it is 22 times 10 square equal to 202,000, which means we need to use the 1K range. First, we need to calibrate first the multimeter before measure the resistance. You need to make sure the needle point directly to the 0, and then you can take the resistor, touch it on the both side, and then you got the reading. It is proven that this resistor is 2 kilo ohm.